Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to be certified in Oracle NetSuite. To become certified in Oracle NetSuite, you need to follow the official certification path provided by Oracle NetSuite Education Services. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose the right certification path. NetSuite offers several certifications depending on your role and skill level. SuiteFoundation is for beginners and general users. Administrator is for NetSuite system administrators. ERP Consultant for functional business consultants. SuiteCloud Developer is for developers and SuiteScript users. Financial User Certification for accountants and finance professionals. SuiteAnalytics User for analysts and report builders. Step 2. Prepare for the exam. Recommended study materials: NetSuite Learning Cloud Support, LCS, Oracle's official subscription-based training platform. Suite Answers, free help articles, videos, and guides available in your NetSuite account. Exam study guides provided on the NetSuite certification site. You can also take instructor-led training, self-paced online courses, practice exams if available. Step 3. Register for the exam. Visit the NetSuite certification portal, select your exam and click Register. Exams are administered online via Pearson VUE. Pay the exam fee, usually ranges from $150 to $250 depending on the certification. Step 4. Take the exam. Most exams are 60-80 multiple choice questions. Time limit is typically 80 to 120 minutes. You must pass with a score of around 70 to 75% depending on the exam. Step 5. Get certified. After passing, you'll receive a digital certificate and badge. Your certification is valid for 2 years. Oracle may require recertification if major system updates occur. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.